Hello, my name is Hằng. Today I'm here to present to you about four sounds in the IPHS. It is ear, or, air, and o. Firstly, ear, 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 here, here. Here you are, here you are, here you are. Near, near, near. Is there a banner here? Is there a banner here? Is there a banner here? Secondly, or, poor, poor. We aim to help poor people. 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 Sure, sure, sure. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Thirdly, air, 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 hair, hair. I'm trying to grow my 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 hair. Airport, airport, airport. Where is the airport? Where is the airport? Where is the airport? Where is the airport? Lastly, oh, oh, oh. Show, show. Can you show me your body? Can you show me your body? Can you show me your body? Potato, potato, potato. He's a couch potato. He's a couch potato. He's a couch potato. That's all about my video today. I hope you like it. Thank you listening. Bye bye.